Level up your curry game. Today we're looking at a Pilao Rice recipe that is easy and foolproof and will bring another level of flavour to your home Indian cooking. First, you want an extra long basmati rice. Those longer grains will soak up the water, they will expand, and they will give you a nice texture in your finished dish, and they will also soak up flavour better than other rice. Now, depending on the girth of your guests, you want somewhere between 60 and 75 grams per portion. I'm going to go for 4 portions of 60 grams. One of the most important steps that people often forget is to soak the rice. Soaking the rice for 30 minutes will enable it to cook more evenly. The rice has been soaking for half an hour, so now we've got to drain it and rinse it. Rinse it till the water runs clear to get rid of any surplus starch. A lot of Indian cooking is about layering up flavour, and one of the ways they do that is with a technique called tempering. And tempering is flavouring hot oil with spices. Oil or fat we're going to use for our tempering is my other favourite ingredient, ghee. So we put 1 tablespoon of ghee into a pan to heat up. So into that we're going to add a bay leaf, a small cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom pods lightly bashed, 2 cloves and a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. And we'll fry those lightly for about a minute, which will flavour the oil. After that's been frying for about a minute, we add our rice. In all of the infused fat. About 220 millilitres of water, which is about 1.2 times my rice, cold. Stir it so that nothing's sticking to the bottom, and then allow that to come to the boil with a little pinch of salt, and then allow it to come to the boil. Boiling, cover it and turn it as low as it will go. And you should let that simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. So that's been on for about 8 minutes, and let's see. It's not quite ready and the water has dried up, so we need to top it up. Giving it 2 more minutes. Let's have a go. That is now beautiful and tender, buttery, a little bit salty, and you can taste all the spices. There you have it, beautiful bowl of Pilao rice. It's buttery, a little bit spicy, and a little bit salty. And perfect to have your favourite Ruby Murray dumped on top of it.